Guys, we're going to look at how to solve for volume. So we just in the last video we're looking at area and perimeter within Minecraft. So here this is different projects. You got a pool. So right here, as you can see, I've already marked my length and my width. So right here I've got my length from these two red blocks and my width right here. Now with volume, the difference is you add in a different feature. So to solve for volume, you have to have a height. Now you could do this in your bedrooms, but I figured that it would be easier for you guys to do this with a separate project. So we're going to be figuring out how much water that we need to put into our pool for it to be full. So let's count our blocks first. So let me find my length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, let me get rid of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 8 by 9. So length times width, which is 8 by 9. So the different thing that we do on this is we've got to figure out the height. So the height is from the ground all the way up. So in this case, I'm going to have a total of 3 blocks here. So 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to go back to my board so we can figure out how much water we need. So to recap, to find volume is the length times width times height. Now, so my length of my project or my pool was 8. And then the width of my pool was 9. And then the height of my pool was 3. So those are all blocks that I'm counting. So to find volume is the length times width times height equals V for volume. So in this case, let me now put in those numbers where those letters are. So 8 times 9 times 3 would equal my volume. So in this case, ooh, that's terrible. So in this case, so 8 times 9 equals 72. And then I'm going to multiply 72 times 3, which is where you're using your multiplication skills here. So you're going to get 216. So 216 blocks of water it would take to fill up that entire pool. So that's how many blocks it would take for this entire pool to be filled. So that's volume. If you guys have any questions, be sure that you let me know. Hope you enjoy this project.